50 watts, all tube, but 70 pounds. That's right, 70 pounds. It sounds like everyone that has had this amp before absolutely loved it, but nobody wants one, and it seems like you can't give it away. So maybe I'm the sucker because I got this one for $25. And if you don't know, I'm in St. Louis. This company, SLM Electronics, is responsible for the brand Crate. And my first guitar amp was a Crate amp. Let's talk about this one. Crate Vintage Club 50 watts all tube, two 12-inch speakers. This is a lot of amp. I'm not gonna turn it all the way up here in my basement. I already have neighbors that have let me know they don't appreciate hearing music, and I don't want the cops called on me. So we will demo it here, but then I'm gonna take it somewhere where we can crank it up and actually hear a good guitar player play, not my mediocre playing. So you can hear how this thing sounds and figure out, I don't know, apparently it's for no one. A couple things about this one. Obviously I said I got it for 25 bucks, very beat up. And I had to put a new reverb tank in it, plug in. I had to clean the pots because they were a little scratchy, and this thing would want to go to full volume if you touched the pots just wrong. This amp honestly kind of scares me a little bit because of that. Let's try it out. Let's start with the clean channel. See, there's that poppy, scratchy pot that I don't like. Okay, this is bridge pickup on a telly. We're about like a third volume. Let's see what it does at half. Let's try the dirty channel. Typically, I don't like to play with just a clean sound, so I like to use an edge of breakup sound, and let's see how this does that. So I'm going to turn the gain down to level up quite a bit. All right, let's crank that gain up. I think the tube combination is similar to an AC30. So it's supposed to sort of get that sound. Obviously there's a lot of headroom in a 50-watt amp, but like what I did just right now, I can never play this in my house. And I don't play any gigs where it is big enough to play, so I don't know what to do with it. I like to play through that little 5-watt tube amp right there because I can crank it all the way up in the house. So I don't know if this suits me. It sounds cool. That's enough for now. Let's take it somewhere where we can really crank it up.